Can AI replace traditional medical device, real-life human factors studies? Well, here's why I think it's crucial for medical device development to research user requirements and then test these to capture not only those capabilities, but also the limitations that are intrinsically human. Did you know that you are capable of intuitively processing and reacting to the facial expressions and body language of the people you interact with on a daily basis? You have the ability to perceive and empathize, instinctually knowing when to stop an action or just knowing when a friend needs a hug. However, AI can't yet read the room like this or adapt on the fly. AI can't react to subtle expressions and body language with a shift in tone or language like humans can. AI operates based on patterns and associations learned from the algorithms it has been trained on. Yes, it can analyze vast amounts of medical data or make predictions based on patterns for early disease detection, but it cannot understand the emotional and psychological factors that influence clinical decision-making. AI lacks these intrinsically human qualities. For example, the decision to discharge a patient heavily relies on the physician's knowledge, experience, and judgment about the underlying disease process, their knowledge about the most current treatment options available, the patient's physical mobility, but also on a multitude of qualitative factors such as, do they have secure housing? Do they have stairs in their house? Do they have any caretakers at home? Do they have any existing medications prescribed? Yet this multitude of inputs can all be gathered and processed by humans in an often brief, real-time interaction between a clinician and their patient. AI cannot simply quantitate this decision process because so many of the dependencies are qualitative in nature. If you're interested to hear more, you can read about this in my blog at starfishmedical.com.